September is a great reminder that there are things that we need to do for ourselves and our families to become better prepared. That starts with doing a plan, but it also, you look at your preparedness kit, and you have conversations with your family about how disasters can impact you. The whole campaign is focused around preparedness and how people can become better prepared at home, at work, and in their business. Our National Preparedness Month was started after September 11th. It's a way for everyone to organize around September and for everyone to improve their emergency preparedness throughout the country. This year's theme is disasters don't plan ahead, but you can. And we're encouraging everyone to start the process by developing an emergency plan. Having a plan starts with having a conversation between you and your family, you and your coworkers, you and your employees. And that conversation centers around how do we respond to the types of incidents that we know we're going to have to deal with. As we're seeing with Hurricane Harvey, this can happen to anyone at any time. And so having a plan and walking through that process is beneficial for everyone, because you never quite know when it's going to happen to you. Staying informed is crucial, obviously, because you need to know when to put your plan into place. The first step in that is you can sign up for alerts. We have, through Fairfax Alerts, we send out weather alerts, traffic alerts to keep you up to date on what's happening. We coordinate with the rest of Northern Virginia. So we have a website called readynova.org. You can go there. We have templates that you can fill out both for individuals and we also have it for businesses. And that template is a good way to get you started if you don't have anything as of yet. We're going to have an event on Facebook. It'll be September 13th at 1 p.m. We encourage our viewers to stop by and see that either live, or it'll be on YouTube after the live taping is over. And as part of that, we're going to discuss what to have in a kit, and then we're also going to talk about how to be better informed. Disasters don't plan ahead, but you can. And that's a great motto to live by, because these things can happen at any time and can impact you in ways that you may not even thought about.